Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of recent video that has got really popular on the social media. It has been gone really viral on social media applications such as Facebook and Instagram that the Roman Reigns had died in an accident. There are a lot of people who are posting rest in peace Roman Reigns, that Roman Reigns died in an accident, and people are just shocked about that news. Now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind this news. Is it actually true or just another fake news? So as you can see, we can see the comments of the people on Instagram. They're saying it's a fake video, and this video is a fake that was created and generated by an artificial intelligence. But this got really viral and spread like a wildfire and all over the social media applications, and even the news channels have talked about this, and the different anchors are talking about it, and they're saying that it's a fake video. Another legit sort of evidence is the the video of this Roman Reigns, who's saying simply don't spread the rumors. As you can see, he's clearly saying that this is spreading the rumors that I'm dead. It makes you look, to be honest, but the rumor is ridiculous, and he's actually alive, and he's also actively posting on his Instagram channel. So in conclusion, I would say this is just another fake news that was created to grab attention. I hope this review is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.